Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about function. A finite number of instructions for a specific task. Do you know every Go program at least have one function, that is main function. By using functions we can divide our large problems into smaller problems. A function declaration in which programmer tells to the compiler, hi, that here is the function. Go library also provides predefined functions like println is the predefined function is used to print the message on the screen. Functions are also known as subroutine or method or subprogram. So here is the basic syntax. Function keyword, func func keyword that represent the function, like var keyword, predefined keyword, and here is the function name. Like variable name, you can assign function name according to the variable name. Like if function is about sum, then you can name it sum function. And here is the parameter list. When function invoke, we can send any data type variables to the function. Set of variables that are function received called parameter list. Return data types. A return type is the list of values that function will return at the end of the execution of this function. And the last one in curly braces, function body, where programmer can write the subprogram over its functionality. So look at the main function, function keyword, and here is the main is the function name, which is compulsory function, and here is the body. Copy it, and here you can assign the name large number function and A, B, C, these are the parameters, and integer is the data type, and integer that is represented here int. We are going to return a variable that is integer type. So int large is equal to A if A is greater than B, then, or we can say that B is greater than A, then large is equal to B. You can define like this. And now, or like that, if large greater than C, we can create our own logic. C large and here B large, like that way. Now by using return keyword we can return the value large, and here is our function that is created successfully, and create a variable large which is integer type and call the function, and parameters are values are 12, 40, 10, and display the message large number is large. Run the program. So use braces. It is good that we are facing errors for your practice, and the large number is 40, so you can change the value like 10, and now large number is 12, and if 100, now large number is 100. So if you again want to find large number like this way, you can simply like this one, large number is 100 and large number is 120, and this is the advantage of function. You can use it multiple times. Same code, you can call the function and use it multiple times. There is no need to write this code again and again. Just write a function and then call it according to your problem, according to your requirement. These are the actual parameters and these are the formal parameters. So you can send these values to this function which is large num, and then this function will return you a type of data that is integer type, and you can store integer type data into integer type variable. Like if I want to display the type of fmt print f and type of large, and the program, and type of large is integer, because we are going to receive integer value into large variable. This is function call and this is called function declaration. Thank you for watching this video.